Opposites all around me, new and old. A Crabtree Roots book from Amy Culliford. School to home support for parents, caregivers, and teachers. This book helps children grow by letting them practice reading. Here are a few guiding questions to help the reader with building his or her comprehension skills. Questions appear in red font color. Possible answers appear here in blue. Before reading, what do I think this book is about? This book is about new things and old things. This book is about the differences or difference between old and new. What do I want my child or student learn about this topic? I have learned that cars can be new or old. I have learned that what new trees look like. After reading, what details did I learn about this topic? I have learned that trees grow taller the older they get. I have learned that new and old are opposites. Read the book again and look for the vocabulary words. I see the word tree and the word car. Now, let's learn new and old. What is new and old? What is new and what is old? This tree is new. This tree is old. This car is new. This car is old. This house is new. This house is old. Word list. Sight words. N is this what? Words to know. Car, house, new, old, tree. 31 words. What is new and what is old? This tree is new. This tree is old. This car is new. This car is old. This house is new. This book is old. Thank you for reading and watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.